Hey YouTube, I'm showing you how to make a really annoying sound. It goes like this. Here's for example. It makes kind of a farting sound in the middle of it, but after a while it gets really annoying. If you keep doing it, it gets really annoying just the same. Okay, here we go. Here's how to do it. You put your lips together like this, like you're kissing someone, and just squish them. And then blow air at it and make this. Okay, and then you put your hands. Wait, hold on. Put your hands like this. It should have a hole right there. I'll get it up on camera. It should have a hole like that. And your fingers should be like this. See? Kind of like that. But you cross it. And then you blow into the hole. And use that same technique you do like this. With your lips, kind of like kissing them, but you just smush it in your lips. And then you blow away. You're probably wondering why. You should be moving your fingers, and it makes that annoying sound. See you, YouTube.